Hello everyone, welcome to Desert Succulent, and today I wanted to show you yung ating mga hanging plants or yung ating mga hanging pots na may mga succulents. So I have here yung ating Sedum clavatum na very stable na siya and ipapamigay din natin siya. Kasama na din itong ating Graptopetalum ellen. So these are actually cuttings, and finally naging stable na sila. They are already well rooted, kaya all you need to do is simply take good care of them para mas maging lush pa siya. I also have here yung ating hanging pot na may different kinds of succulent cuttings. If you have watched yung video natin before, ito yung ginawa natin na parang succulent arrangement out of our succulent propagations, and ito na nga sila, or ito na yung itsura niya as of today. So dito meron tayong tiger tooth aloe, yung green na yan. Then dito sa gitna we have our Echeveria Lola, we have our Rubidona, Mendoza succulent, Prolifica, and ito yung ating Laulensis. Ayan, makikita ninyo yung new leaf growth niya, diba? Makikita niyo yung difference ng old versus new leaf growth. Kasama na rin yung ating Morning Beauty, and dito nga sa gilid, yung nilagay nating mga fillers na Angelina bush, nag-start na nga siyang mag-trail down dito sa pot na ito. Kaya it would be very nice if talagang ilalagay nyo siya sa sunny location para maging mas colorful pa siya. I also have here yung ating hanging pot na may ghost plant, and the reason kung bakit dito ko tinananim yung ating ghost plant is because gusto ko silang mag-trail down dito paglakihin nila. So itong mga malalaki na yan, those are cuttings, while itong mga maliliit na to are actually from leaf propagations, and they are actually starting to grow as of now, and eventually in time they will trail down this pot. And aside from this ghost plant, syempre meron din akong hanging pot na ghosty naman. So itong ghosty, yung color niya is parang whitish na may pagka pinkish and yellowish siya depending sa season and the amount of sunlight it is receiving. So kung mapapansin niyo, wala silang blue stains kasi hindi ko pa sila na-applyan ng fungicide, and it's already your choice whether or not you will be applying a fungicide sa kanila. But if I were you, I will spray just to protect them from fungus. And lastly, we also have this pot of our Sedum Golden Glow, and makikita ninyo talagang hindi ko siya nakita and parang ilang months na siyang hindi nadiligan, kaya as you can see talagang dehydrated na siya, although we can see new growth and it is still thriving. Ganon kaganda ang mga succulents kasi kahit na na-ignore natin sila, they would definitely still grow. Kaya papaulanan na lang natin siya para ma-hydrate siya kahit papano. So I also have here yung different pots ng mga succulents natin. So ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, mga big sizes na I'm thinking of giving it away dito sa mga taga Baguio, ganyan, or taga La Trinidad, or if you are a tourist in Baguio City and if you want to have one, just send me a message sa ating Facebook page kasi itong mga ito as is na talaga sila. We have here a big pot of our Sedum clavatum, and I'm really happy kasi talagang nag-survive na siya. We have here yung pinaka mother plant natin ng ghost plants. Ayan, so dito ako kumukuha ng cuttings every time I will be making succulent arrangements or giveaways, propagations. Dito talaga ako kumukuha. And so far, we have our Beyonce rainbow here. So pinag-iisipan ko if gagawin ko siyang cutting or potted ko na lang siyang ipapa-giveaway. Aside from that one, I have here yung ating mga different propagations. So itong mga ito definitely pang mga Baguio lang ito kasi maliliit pa yung iba, and natatakot ako na pag in-uproot natin sila baka mamatay. So we have here yung ating teddy bear, we have Minima Sedum clavatum, variegated Mendoza succulent, we have, oh I forgot the name of this. Then we have Rubidona again. And ano pa ba? This one is a Pink Floyd. Ayan o. Ganyan yung kanyang itsura pag talagang pink na siya. And this is actually a propagation too. This is a leaf propagation of a rare succulent. Hindi ko lang alam kung anong succulent na siya. This is Mule. We have Lawi and Clavatum. This is my leaf propagation ng ating Crispate Beauty. Ayan, ang bilis pala niyang padamihin. And we have our Cinderella, if I'm not mistaken, a kind of Aeonium, the bronze medal Aeonium. Yung ating Walking Kalanchoe. Ayan siya. So, what else? Madami. Yung ating Frizzle Sizzle na succulent, I have 2 bulbs here, or parang 3 bulbs na yan. And this is yung ating leaf propagation ng Lawi. And ito yung iba pa sa mga big, or mga potted na succulents natin. And ipapakita ko na lang siguro sila up close pag gumanda na yung weather. Kasi right now, umuulan na because of the typhoon. And I decided na ilabas silang lahat. Maulanan sila para ma-hydrate sila. And at the same time, ma-wash off or mabawasan yung fungicide stains na nasa kanilang mga leaves. And lastly, meron din tayo dito yung ating Sidong Burrito. So dito ko kinuha yung mga cuttings na ipapa-giveaway natin. So pinili ko lang yung mga buo-buo pa. But definitely yung mga iba dito, we can just simply cut them actually. Then start or restart growing itong ating Sidong Burrito. So kung interested kayong kunin ito, then just simply message us sa aming Facebook page. Pero if kung ayaw ninyo, I will just simply throw that pot away. And yung ating Vicks plant, diba? Sobrang gustong-gusto ko ito. Ito na yung pinaka-relaxing na succulent that you could ever have. So, kumbaga, naging routine ko na pagpupunta ako dito sa ating rooftop, ginagalaw ko siyang ganyan kasi I really love yung kanyang menthol na scent. And I guess that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page, A Desert Succulent page.